G'day! In today's video I've got an Acer Helios 300 with the model number of N17C1. Now this particular one has been liquid damaged and I've been trying to diagnose what exactly has gone wrong with it. So I've already taken out all my screws, got it to this location here, and the drama that I've been having with it is it's still not powering up. I get a blue light when I plug the power in and have the battery connected, which right now it is disconnected. And I've tried a few other different things to see if I can get it to power, all of which the power button on the keyboard is completely ignored. But I have discovered one little tip that might make getting these going a little bit simpler. So where we're looking is right next to the keyboard flex. So the keyboard itself also contains the power button. If you get liquid damage, your keyboard may fail. And I looked at this yesterday and then thought about it more, had a bit of a Google, and I found out that underneath here is two metal pins. And on those two metal pins, one of them is 3.2 volt, which is definitely a bit odd for keyboards. So if I put it on some earth, put it on here, I get nothing. I put it on the other one, and if I move this up a bit higher so you guys can actually see, I get 3.3 volts. Put it on the other one beside it, nothing. So to me, that's acting as a switch. So if I just use something like a flathead screwdriver, which I have put in the wrong spot, so a very small Phillips head screwdriver or flathead screwdriver should be able to do it, if not maybe a pair of tweezers. We just need something to bridge those two connections together. And with that, that should act as a power button, which then from there you could diagnose if your keyboard has failed. There we go, so I've got a flathead screwdriver, about yay wide, and if I touch these two connections, we should get fan spin. So if I push down on these two pins, no, it might help if I have power plugged in. There we go. So now we've got fan spin. Fan spin stop. Let's open it up and have a look. We have Predator loading. So right now, we're loaded. And the keyboard is completely unresponsive. So that very well may be because of the faulty power button. So what I'm going to do is tell it to restart. Or faulty keyboard. I'm going to tell it to restart. Windows is going to restart. And from there, I'll see with the keyboard connected if it's going to be functional at all, or if we may just have a dead keyboard. Hopefully it's simply just that. Zoom out a bit more. Fold it back over. Currently blank. We're at a login screen. Spacebar. Will it work? Spacebar is dead. This has a faulty keyboard. Anyway, I hope that helps in potentially jump-starting and diagnosing what's wrong with your Acer Helios 300. I'm assuming this may be very applicable for Nitro 5s and a few other different models. So, anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Hope that helps. Good luck with your machine. Bye.